there is no new concept from number 21 to 25. It's pretty much similar to the previous page. So it's perfect timing to check on your finger shapes. Again, you are going to use the tip of fingers, curl your finger, and knuckles up. Wrist is a little lower than knuckle, and the arm has to be straight like this, and a little higher knuckle and curled up. Make sure to have the tip of the thumb on the key, tip of the pinky. Do not use the side of the pinky and the side of the thumb like this. Curl and the tip of the thumb and the pinky. Knuckle up, a little slide down, and horizontal arm. Make sure to have sticky fingers like this. 21. Sticky fingers. Less movement is better for piano performance. 22. So try not to do this. It's not really necessary. All the movement. If you keep doing it, you cannot speed up later. Less is better.